Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing testing a TikTok makeup hack slash TikTok made me buy it makeup products review. Does that make sense? I don't know. And if you haven't watched TikTok before, don't do it because you'll get addicted and spend hours watching TikTok and lose time because you get sucked into the funniness and interestingness of everybody's video. Okay, anyways, the hack that I'm going to be testing is where you put on your primer first, then translucent setting powder, then finishing spray, then primer, then your foundation. I never even do all this stuff when I normally do my makeup, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not using the exact product. I don't really know if they say exact product. Oh, I have a unicorn horn. This is the TikTok.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens. And it's going to stay on 24/7, and it's not going to crease. It's a technique that's probably still used by so many other people. I heard that it's been used for like a long time, but I just found out about it. And honestly, look, I don't have the beauty filter on. Try it on you and let me know if it works.
So, number one, I am using a Neutrogena primer. This is tinted, so hopefully that's okay, but that's all I have because normally I use oil. Hopefully this isn't too tan. I don't know why I'm putting it on like this. I'm just gonna use a brush. This is a paddle brush. I think that's what it's called. Blending.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh.
Okay, now she says to set the primer with translucent powder. This is my translucent powder. Revlon Color Stay. Eyes are sensitive. Pat, 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 and dab, and dab, and dab, and dab, and dab.
Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
I think she's covered. Next, she says to spray the primer, or no, spray the moisturizer in powder with a setting spray. This is it's a Mary Kay. Now we let this dry. Okay, she's dried. Now we're gonna go in with a primer. This is the primer I'm gonna be using. Too Faced Do You primer. Dab, 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 dab. Primer, primer, primer. Prime your canvas. Ugh, this stuff smells like watermelon. This face has the dewy glow stuff. Oh, look at it. She's so gorgeous.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. Of my head, I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
shining like the sun. I feel kind of cakey. I don't know. Let's see. Mushy. No, no. No, 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 no. Okay, the last step is the foundation. I already look so much beautiful. And my foundation I'm going to be using is Okay, Time Wise. I don't know if this matches my skin.
Perfect 10, whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I need like a sponge. All I got is a baby one. Little tiny baby sponge.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Honestly, not that bad. Let's set it again and see what I think. Now I look like a wet poodle. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I can't decide if I like it or not. You decide. I think I like it. I want to try it again another day with oil instead of moisturizer. Okay, now to the two items that TikTok made me buy. Makeup product TikTok made me buy. First up is this lip gloss. It is called Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish from NYX Professional Makeup Cosmetics. They have it in a bunch of different colors. I got it from Target, and supposedly it's supposed to make your lips look nice and big. My lips are tiny, baby, non-existent. So this is what they look like now. Smile, smile, ooh ba ba, ooh ba ba ba. Let's put her on and see if my lips get any bigger. If I can open it. Okay, update on the face makeup already. Now that the setting spray is dry. I like it. It works good. It looks nice. I look beautiful. Okay, I got the lip gloss open. Kind of. Let's put her on. Whoa, gooey. I'm scared. What if it hurts my lips?
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have
A little sticky, but not bad. Shiny. She's thick. Let's see. Do I feel anything? No. Ew. Stinks. Do my lips look bigger yet? Blech. Do my lips look bigger yet? Let's leave that on for a little bit and see if anything happens. And the last product that TikTok made me buy is also from NYX. NYX Micro Brow Pencil Crayon Micro Poreless Volage Law. I got this color taupe. So hopefully this matches my brow color. I'm literally obsessed with like brow products because brows are important. So one end is a little spoolie. And then the other end, oh, just a pencil. Oh, I feel tingling in my lips. So, let's brush out my brows. I like a big fluffy brow. I need to try that. I feel a tingling in my lingling. What? I need to try the soap brow technique, see if that works. I want to try using gel in my eyebrows real quick to see if that will give me the lift I crave. because I haven't pinned my brows in a while. If you haven't seen that if you've seen that video. It's not doing anything. Okay, anyways, back to the product. So I'm gonna just brush my brow out with the spoolie. And most of the time I just fill in the inner corner because that's what is missing in my life. So let's try this and see how good it works. Are you the product that I've been missing my whole life? I don't know. Yet. This is what it looks like.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down.
Honestly, works good, but it's not like the best pencil I've ever used in my whole entire life. I've yet to find that product.
Of my head, I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
I want a eyebrow product that looks like hair, not like I colored in my eyebrows.
For a minute and pretend.
And there's the eyebrows. Ooh, ooh, ooh. They look good, but nothing amazing in the product to me. I give it a 6 out of 10 for this. And now that it's been a few minutes, do my lips look any different? I don't know. I don't remember what they looked like before.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Should put a little bit above my lip, make that poofy too.
Oh, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, my final thoughts. I love the lip gloss, even if it didn't make my lips bigger. I don't know if it did or not. Do they look bigger? I just like it generally as a clear lip gloss. So I would buy that again. Eyebrow pencil works pretty good, but I don't know if I'd buy it again. I truly haven't found my ultimate favorite drugstore eyebrow product. Foundation hack, I actually really like. I'm curious to see how it would look with like regular moisturizer instead of tinted, or with like an oil instead of moisturizer. Maybe that would look weird. I don't know. So those are my thoughts on the TikTok hack and products that people suggested to buy. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. I look so much better than the beginning of this video. Wow, glow up. I put lashes on if you didn't notice. Okay, bye. I tried the foundation hack with my oil instead of the tinted primer, and I like it way better. Yes, 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 yes. My hair looks crazy. Don't look at it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Glowing, glowing, glowing. Okay.
Oh, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.